Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namo. So today let's discuss some beautiful verses from the Songs of Lord from the holy book of Sri Gita. And these verses helps us in stress management through divine healing in our day-to-day life. Ya enam veti hantaram yaschainam manyate hatam ubhau tau na vejanito nayam hanti na hanyate na jayate mriyate va kadachi na bhutva bhavita va na bhoyah ajoyam nitya शाश्वतोयम पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीरान् विहाय जीर्णान् नयनयानि संयाति नवानि देह. So from these verses that we discussed in the previous session, we learned that this soul is immortal, perpetual, timeless, eternal, and indestructible. Nainam chandanti shastrani, nainam dahati pavaka, na chainam kledentyapo, na shoshati maruta. So neither the sword can cut the soul, nor the soul can be burnt in the fire, nor it can be soaked in the water, and neither it can be dried. Because it is the subtle and microscopic part of the sunlight, and so sunlight cannot be cut, cannot be burnt, cannot be dried, and cannot be soaked. So we also saw a very nice verse, Jatasya hi dhruvam mrityu dhruvam janam mritasya cha tasmad pariharayarthe na tvam shochi tum harsi. So why should you grieve for the death? Why should you grieve for the person who's dead? Why to grieve for the mortal body? Because the soul is eternal, timeless, it never dies, it is never born, and it is all encompassing. Dehi nityam vadhoyam देहे सर्वस्य भार तस्मात् सर्वाणि कर्माणि न त्वं सोचि तुम हर्षि. So one and all, why should we worry just for our long life? Let's worry for our good actions. Our actions should be supreme. That is meant for the good work, for the social welfare, for the social justice, to protect the righteousness. So dear one and all, we should work on the integration of the mind, that is knowledge, our heart, that is sunlight, and the human body itself, so that our actions become great and there is a confluence of the divine soul with the supreme soul with our good actions. Now let us see the beautiful verse on good actions or karma. Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karam phal hetur bhurma te sangostva karmani. So one should do action or work in the life without any attachment to its outcomes. Because if a person works with the attachment to the outcomes, he becomes very miserable and stressed out. Because then all the time he's thinking about the results of his action, and then that does not bring integrity in his action. Yogastha kuru karmani sang tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhayo samo bhutva Satma Siddhayo Samo Bhutva Samtavam Yog Uchayate. So if a person works according to his quality, now the qualities are of three types: Satogun, Rajogun and Tamogun. If a person is attached to the materialistic world and works according to his senses or desires, then he is always attached to the outcomes of his action and also gets worried for the results of his action. So then there is an absence of integrity, and then he may not be that successful. But if a person works without any attachment and with full devotion and hard work and does that action, then the results are taken care of because he has worked hard, he has been sincere. But a person has no right over the outcome of the results, but only has the right on his karma or action. Buddhi yukto jahati ubhe sukrit dushkrite tasma doga yujusva yoga karma sukaushalam. So if a person works with the integrity of soul, mind and body, and is focused in the mission, in the objective of the life, to protect the righteousness, to work for social justice and social welfare, to work in one direction and think good for others, such a person attains great success in the life because he is not attached to the outcomes of his action. Such a person is hardworking and sincere, and in the organization that he works, in the area he works, he achieves the mission of the life for the social welfare, the social justice, yoga karma su kaushalam. That is, he is the person with the immense potential. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Namaskar.